Hi, this is Adam Ashba, broker and real estate expert for Ask Luxury Realty. We're here in downtown Powell on a beautiful Friday. If you like to golf or play tennis, I just might have the perfect condo for you on this house of the week. Well, welcome back, guys, to 4181 Bishopsgate Way here in Powell, Ohio. We're just about a 9-iron away from the prestigious Wedgewood Country Club, right off the Sawmill Parkway and Powell Road here in Powell, Ohio. With me here is Tim LaBauve, one of our Ask Luxury Realty agents, and he's going to be telling you a little bit more about this listing. Go ahead, Tim.
Thanks, Adam. Hey guys, just a little information about this freestanding Wedgewood condo. It gives you 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. And some of the features of this condo include a double-sided fireplace. You have a home office. It has a media room. It's radiant floor heating. And also it comes with its own generator, guys. So this gives you a ton of features. This will not last. We're having an open house. The details of that are below. So reach out to us if you have any questions, and we'll look forward to seeing you then.
All right, thanks, Tim. And come out this weekend, check it out, 4181 Bishopsgate Way here in Powell, Ohio. Until next time on this House of the Week.